Yeah, Big Glenn,
Saved by Grace Records.
Fisher, what up? Here we go. It's Big Glenn, the Holy Spirit's backing my plow. I rock God's armor, Satan's never backing me down. Swinging a battle axe, this is my battle cry. It'd be sad if I didn't tell anyone about Adonai. It's spiritual warfare, always pray to battle harm. Cause demons got more beef than a cattle farm. Turn away your soul, gets a killer assault. Trust me, I'll never turn into a pillar of salt. Carry Satan away, I'm preparing the right bag. When I rep my dad, he's waving the white flag. I know I get a little raw every time when I'm rhyming, cause I'm covered by the blood like the halls in The Shining. I got victory, boldness is where I stand. When I fall, his word is always where I land. Try to pay God back, you're never earning the price. So keep pressing to the return of the Christ.
Yeah. As I enter the cipher, no need to decipher. You either follow Christ or the Pied Piper. Yeah, Jesus, he the way, he the truth, he the life. Yeah, you can seek to press me, rest assured I'm a lifer. He sparked a fire, a born again igniter. Submit to resist, man, these lies are the liar. He seeks to play your flesh, keep feeding these desires. Wants to see you die, leave you dire in the mire. What? I'ma share that light like Edison. Jesus, he the cure, straight good medicine. The truth is knocking at your door like lettuce in. The choice is yours, choose Christ or die in sin.
God is our banner. We should know that he is going to protect us, he's going to watch over us. He sent his word through the man of God. We should be ready to respond.
Our intuition to you is counterintuitive. Your intel is counterintelligence. Found definitive proof and invisible evidence. Truth is the hardest armor ever is immaterial. Armed to the tooth, my arsenal on extraterrestrial, ethereal. Y'all shooting, we hitting our target. Y'all rooting for y'all's enemy, we winning regardless. Happiness like a ball of faith, but joysticks like arcades. Hate those the mind, but love keeps us sharp as razor blades. What we got? Wolves and coyotes disguised the wool clothing, pulling the wool over the eyes of an unholy society. Got me rolling my eyes and wildly hiding behind an obvious facade of piety. Like really? Oh please don't even try. Why you surprised? Talking about on me, oh my, I'm on my road runner. Meet me. I told them to keep both eyes wide open, but it hurts them to look like they got soap in they got, so they play blind like they got Georgia on their mind. Jump on the beat, Pogo. Uh-oh, you know how we do. Here we go. Here to change the world on my Captain EO. Christ is coming back for his people and defeating evil in the sequel to the Passion of the Christ. He has no match, no equal. The max of people both far from it beneath the steeple. Whether or not they've gotten to know Jesus, because not knowing it's lethal. I'm an unfinished piece on his easel. Clay on the potter's wheel, a work in progress. No doubt in my mind that God is real. A cold drink and a hot meal is what I was serving. A cold body and a hot hell is what I deserve. Say what? Yeah, you heard me right. If I burned in hell, it served me right. But God is merciful. His son was sent to take my punishment. His blood was shed for you and for me. 3 days later, he rose again. Sure as 2 comes before 3, Yeshua is king. Bow before his majesty. He is flying, you notice. He's the omnipotent fire starting, water parting God of Moses.